Hey y'all, welcome to my house. This is Heritage House. I'm Miss Katie, and this is Project 54, episode 24. We are making classic summer salads, and this is just a classic egg salad sandwich. So stay tuned. I think you're going to just love this basic classic goodness. Thanks for being here. Salad sandwiches. Well, one thing that might keep you from making egg salad sandwiches or deviled eggs or stuffed eggs or whatever you call those, the task of boiling the eggs and peeling them, right? I've got news for you. I know you wouldn't want to buy an Instant Pot just for this job, but when we were full-time RVing and we were trying to decide, we'd go back to Tennessee, our home state, and we'd try to decide, well, is there anything we need to take off the RV so that it would lighten the load? And Mr. Patient is so enamored, I am too, but this was always his job to make the boiled eggs on the RV. He is so fired up and enamored about what an Instant Pot will do for making boiled eggs. I mean, it will change your boiled egg game, y'all. And if you think I'm exaggerating, talk to anybody who has an Instant Pot or one of these pressure cookers and they will tell you the same thing. Now, I'm not an affiliate in any way, shape, or form, but I'm just telling you, maybe not this brand necessarily, but an Instant Pot changes the game on boiled eggs. You know how it's hard to peel boiled eggs that are fresh, and you know, you always hear, or I always used eggs that were a couple of weeks old or older to make boiled eggs because they peeled better, because that way there was more air in between the shell layer and the edible part, the yolk and the white. That's the reason. Well, here we are. I'm gonna tell you how to make these in the Instant Pot in case you have one or you're curious. But yeah, Mr. Patient, he would say, no, we are not taking the Instant Pot off the RV, even if we have it on the RV just for eggs. I mean, it does that well, y'all. That's not all we used it for, but he said, no, we're leaving it on the RV. So I've got I think this is a 6-quart Instant Pot. And I've got my wire rack in it. I have 1 cup of water inside the pot. I don't use purified water for this job, just tap water. Put the lid on. I see the indicator music. And then I turn the top to where it says sealing on the top as opposed to venting. I want it set to sealing. Then I'm just going to go to pressure cook, and it's already set at 6 minutes. That's what I need. High pressure. That button will say normal. 6 minutes. And just leave it alone and it'll go ahead and turn on. And it will get up to pressure. It will cook for 6 minutes. I will let it depressurize for 6 more minutes. Then
it's time to hone our hospitality skills. You can use cookie cutters of different shapes and sizes to cut out bread for little delicate sandwiches.
Okay, sorry, I'm 2 minutes late. You will release the rest of the pressure. And then I'm going straight to the sink, and we'll show you how easy these are to peel. All right, I'm going to put these in some cold water. I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, that should have been more prep than that. But here is the eggs in the cold water. Kind of break it up a little bit. And the peeling just comes right off. Now, I am going to leave these in the cold water for a little bit, but I did want to demonstrate that to you. And these are fresh eggs from the store. So they are not old older eggs, like I mentioned at the beginning, I used to try to boil. All right, friends, I have 5 eggs that are boiled. You can use however many you want. I want to show you my little trick, and then I'm going to tell you what I add to the egg salad. But the possibilities are endless, quite honestly, of what you can add. I just want to encourage you to learn how to make a basic, or to not really learn, but maybe remember how to make a basic egg salad if that hasn't been on your radar in quite some time. Now, my trick is to use this little microplane here. I also have this one. This technically is a microplane. That's a brand name. I've got this one, and I had a smaller one, but I can't find it since we've moved out of the RV. Oh, that's true with a lot of things. And so I use this one that, honestly, it's Crofton brand. I picked it up at Aldi, so you can buy these anywhere. I love this thing. Grating the eggs. Now, I prefer this. I prefer this method. And see, I'm kind of cupping the egg in my hand. But I prefer doing it like this as opposed to chopping it up. Whether I'm doing it like making an egg salad or tuna salad, or even putting the eggs in my potato salad. I just think it makes it creamier. It makes it hold together better. Seriously, just chop them up if that's what you want to do. But I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon in here of salt. Himalayan sea salt. About a half a teaspoon. I wouldn't measure it if I was just standing here. I'm just trying to give y'all an idea, and then I'll taste it and see if it's right. I'm going to put in curry powder. That has always been my preference, whether if I'm making egg salad. So again, I'm going to put in half a teaspoon. Oh, it smells delightful. So pungent. It's a popular spice in Indian food, but not just Indian food. All right. Now, at this point, you know, you can add, if you wanted, grated onion, or, you know, honestly, your imagination is the limit. But I'm going to put mayonnaise in here next. That's all that's in there, and it looks to be approximately 1/4 a cup. So I'm going to complete stirring it here in a minute. Before I stir it all up, I'm going to get these lime pickles. These are my mother-in-law's, so hey to Gran. And I am going to put about a tablespoon of the liquid. These are sweet. And I can tell that's going to be enough mayonnaise. But before I do that, I'm going to chop up some of these pickles to put in the potato salad. I mean the egg salad. Now, you know what would be good in here? If you didn't want to put the curry and you wanted a different flavor, just leave out the curry. You could put chopped red onion and chopped bell pepper, or, you know, if you want red pepper or yellow pepper, that would be really good as well. But you can see, and now it is a little thin. So maybe you say 6 eggs, half a dozen eggs to 1/4 a cup, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Our delicious, wonderful, and easy summer salad, our egg salad. All right, I'm going to taste it. I just love that there are not big chunks of egg. That's just my personal preference. Yes, ma'am, that is so good. Yes, the sweet from the lime pickles, use whatever pickles you want, but the sweet from the Gran's lime pickles, the curry powder is so pungent and just offsets that sweet, and I've got just the right amount of salt. So 6 eggs, 1/4 a cup of mayonnaise, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of curry powder rather. I think I did 3 to 4 chopped up sweet lime pickles with about a tablespoon of the sweet lime pickle juice, and it is good to go. In the fridge, you can eat this with crackers for a snack. You can eat this for lunch. It's awesome. I think we have a winner. See you tomorrow.